Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are cooking a mouth-watering chicken kofta curry. Juicy chicken meatballs simmer in a rich flavorful curry. Whether you call it chicken kofta or chicken meatball curry, this dish is packed with bold flavors and home-style goodness. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, add 500 grams of minced chicken, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh coriander, 1 teaspoon of ginger paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, 2 finely chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of besan gram flour. Mix everything thoroughly until well combined. Once mixed, shape the mixture into small meatballs and set them aside. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you will never miss any yummy update. Then in a pot, heat half cup of oil on medium flame. Lightly saute the meatballs until they get a light golden color. Take them out and set aside. We will add them back later once the curry is ready. Now in the same pot, add 1 cup of onion paste, about 2 medium onions. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes. Then add 2 tomatoes, pureed, and cook for another 3 to 5 minutes. Then add half tablespoon of ginger paste, half tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Optional, you can add it at the end as well. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Then add 1 cup of whisk yogurt, Mix well and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the kofta balls back in and mix to combine with the gravy. Add 1 cup of warm water. Cover and cook for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil separates from the gravy. And there you go. After 10 to 15 minutes, your amazing kofta curry is ready. If you skipped the garam masala earlier, you can add it now. Garnish with chopped green chilies and freshly chopped coriander. Serve hot with your favorite bread or rice. Just keep the gravy thick for bread and a bit thinner for rice. Enjoy your meal and don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video. Happy cooking and see you next time.